Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. So friends, in my today's video, I'm here with you along with a very stylish and very beautiful design ideas of face masks. Yes friends, you have heard it right. All of these designs are very beautiful face masks and hand embroidery patterns. Most of the flower patterns are 3D hand embroidery patterns along with a very beautiful and stylish touch of modern hand embroidery, Brazilian embroidery inspired patterns, and all of these designs are very beautiful, lightweight, artistic, and at the same time they are reusable, washable, made from very soft organic cotton or organic linen fabric, and they are reusable along with the very beautiful features of supporting nose wire with elastic adjustable ear straps. So I would request you to kindly do try these patterns. As you know that COVID is a pandemic situation, and with each and every rising day it is affecting human community badly. And not only this, these masks are absolutely favorable for your skincare if you are going out and you want to keep your skin protected from sunlight, hot temperature, extremely hot temperature, some dust allergy, pollution, and some sort of pollen allergy, acute and minor viral problems, viruses, and very important issue, that is if you are asthmatic or have some breathing issues, then kindly make a habit of wearing masks. So all of these patterns are very easy, stylish, and easy to make. If you have any further questions or you have any queries or you want to give us some suggestions or you want to share your choices with us, then don't forget to comment below this video. And stay tuned. Hope to see you soon back in my channel in my new videos. Up till then, take care of yourselves, stay protected, stay blessed, and meet you soon in my new videos. Up till then, don't forget to subscribe, like my videos, and please share my videos with your friends and family as well.